Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea syrup. First, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. This creates a simple syrup base, essential for a smooth, sweet tea. Remove the pan from the heat once clear. Now it's time to infuse your tea flavor. While the simple syrup is still hot, add 4 to 6 tea bags, or about 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea in an infuser, directly into the syrup. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you prefer your tea flavor. For a bolder taste, steep longer. Gently remove the tea bags or infuser, squeezing out any excess liquid. Once the tea has steeped, let the syrup cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for proper storage and to prevent condensation. After it's cooled, carefully pour your homemade iced tea syrup into a clean, airtight bottle or jar. You can store this delicious syrup in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to sweeten your drinks anytime. To enjoy your freshly made iced tea, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of your tea syrup with 8 ounces of cold water or sparkling water. Add ice and a lemon slice for a refreshing beverage. Adjust the amount of syrup to your personal taste. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. Experiment to find your perfect balance. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.